how to change text color in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to make your Canva presentation attractive by using various colors? Then you're in the right place. I'll teach you how. Let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and then go to your Canva presentation and tap on the text of which you want to change the color. Now, if you want to change the white color of this font to pink, then just tap on it and you will see the A icon on the top that is the text color. Just tap on it and then you can search for the pink color. Or you can choose any color of your wish. Just tap on it and there you go. If you want to, you can even change all the colors to pink like this. So there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.